Okay, here's what we got. The forks. You can see them there. And the fork stoppers, which is these guys here. And this one rigged up with some wire. But it still works. But I got some new suckers like this, so we're going to try and replace these guys. See what we can do. So what we got is this one, brand spanking new. This one, brand spanking new. Now, the way I see it, you take the pin out, and this part comes off, then you stick one part through the bottom, this part through the top, put the pin back in. Alright, let's do it. So I got these guys tied up so they don't tip over easily. So, since I don't want them dropping on my toes, I want to keep the strap on here while I do this. Because I value my toes. It's valuable. Let's get some tools. First tool we're going to need is some side cutters and snip and pull. And it just fell right out of there. Weird! Now we need a hammer. And we're back with a hammer. I want to punch it right at my camera. There, she's out. Scream and shout, she's out. Why am I replacing this one? Because I want a nice new shiny one. That's why. What the heck? Oh, diddly. My punch is still in there. Are you kidding me? Yeah, my punch broke. Yeah, it came like right out of there. You gotta love my good quality tools. Nah, that's what makes me a professional. Like, what the heck? Is it too tight? Man, why am my aim so far down? There. Now you people can see. Can I even get this thing out of here? What in the world? Gotta love garbage tools. I got them out of the garbage dump. Okay, another piece. Chisel mania. Can stuff be any dumber? Like, why is it so loose in there? I go, should leave some room for some epoxy. Is that how it's held together? Epoxy? Hey. Oh boy. I'm gonna put it right over the two holes and then whack it one. I know it's probably hardened nuts. So now that it's probably bent and a little bit fatter. There, going in tighter. That's the way we like it. Now, to tell you the truth, these are parts I don't know where I got them from. So we'll pull this pin out and we'll check. This pin is too fat. That's the problem. She's a fat boy. And my hands are like all over the place. Yeah, I need a way skinnier pin. I'll be back. So all my little pins are broken, so I'm going to use... I don't even know where the camera is. A broken drill bit. All right. Shove this thing up through the port. Then I'll shove that thing on top. Then I'll take the drill bit and I'll shove it in from this side. And it'll make a nice, smooth connection. Look at how shiny they are. Yeah. Everybody likes shiny stuff. What a piece of crap. Alright, take the bit out. Take my brand new fancy punch. And then see if... I need a center punch. These are not center punches. These are try to keep it as balanced as you can punches. There, that one sucker is in there. Next, T-Rex. Let's pull this sucker out. Grab it with a plier. The old town crier. Put the pin down there. For some reason they're magnetized. Don't want to let go. Then we'll put this sucker here. I swallowed a bug. And shove that bit through. Now, this might be the wrong way to do it because the forks are sitting beside each other. Come on. What in the world? I think this hole is smaller. Let me check this. Yeah, throw it on the ground. Then I threw it on the ground. On purpose, of course. Yeah, this hole is way smaller. What in the world? Alright, we're just going to do it the way I initially wanted. Whatever. Go in through this side. Flippity floppity. What I'll do is I'll loosen up this strap. Move this fork ahead. Then I will punch in my pin. Pull out my bit. /pin. Punch that sucker until she's flush, and I think we're good. We got two new thingy floppies. I like it. That's how it's done, son. Hush, hush, puppies. And you can't fix stupid.